Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making macaroni fruit salad. It's yummy and easy to make, so let's get started. Here are the ingredients. I'm taking 1 cup of elbow macaroni, 1 cup of boiled sweet corns. You can take few nuts of your choice, fresh cream, fruit cocktail. Strain the juice from fruit cocktail and keep it aside. Also add some fresh fruits. Now take a clean glass bowl and mix all the ingredients well together and keep it in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours. Serve chill and enjoy this creamy fruit macaroni salad with your friends and family. If you have liked this video, do give it a try and give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching.